All right, so she's in, and I will tell y'all it's probably not as funny as I'm making it out to sound, but we struggled right after that part of the video where I said, don't get discouraged. We fought, and this thing fought, and I literally blew my top. Pushed it out of the garage, told it to get out of my garage. It wasn't worthy of being in my garage. Oh, man. But anyways, I got it in finally. It was done. I'm sure Micah was thinking, here you are saying, don't let it discourage you. Then you explode. I'm not perfect either, so anyways. So, it's going to be a little while before Micah comes over. It'll be tomorrow to put the intake and everything on. So what we're going to get done today is we're going to actually get the gauge hooked up. We're going to get the linkage hooked up. Going to get the dipstick tube put in, and probably put at least a gallon of tranny fluid in there. I don't know, it may go more. I just whenever we go to start it, I don't want it to have any issues of it, being dry. And put the U-joints in, and I don't know what else to get done tonight. Not a whole lot left other than that. We're going to leave the front end off till we get the intake on, so it'll be easier for us. But that's the job for today. Put you on speed mode and let's get this done. All right, driveline is in. I did not grease it yet. Sorry for the poor quality of the video. It's just not enough room for underneath there. Again, have not greased it yet. That's coming. I gotta, my garage is, so I gotta move some stuff around before I can get the compressor out and put some stuff up, because I think we're done with that, so I can put it back in the shed. But anyways, dipstick is in. What do we need to do now? You still need to hook up that, which is that wire there. I think we'll go ahead and put the starter in real fast too. So let's get that next. Let's do that next. We'll go ahead and do the, I'm so gritty. All right. Grounds are hooked up, so the battery's hooked up. Well, battery goes down to the motor mount. Motor mount also, I have a lead coming off of it. Goes over here to the frame. Starter's in. I was going to put the alternator in, but I will tell you, I am drawing a blank how it's supposed to go up there, so I'm going to have to send Mike a message so he can send me a picture of it, I think. But at least until then, I can take the bracket and get it all painted up. But I believe we've got it ready to go for the intake and then starting it. So that's it. Till the end of this video, we'll have it running, but it's just not going to be today. All right, exhaust is on, radiator hoses are on. Not too sure about that one down there, but don't have antifreeze in it. You got the license plate on. Now, Micah's been sick, then I got sick, and it hasn't been fun. But he's supposedly gonna come over tonight. Hopefully we get her started. Gotta add antifreeze, but we'll wait and see when he shows up, and we'll go from there. All right. This should get a start. Ready? Yeah.
Yeah. Go.
Well, it runs. Kinda. All right, well, we did get her running, and we started doing the cam braking in on her, and she started pouring oil out the back of the motor. I'm not for sure. There's a plug back there, or it could be the seal. We won't know till we drop the transmission, so guess we're gonna start the series over of pulling the transmission out and finding out what's wrong with it. But we're gonna end the video on this one. She's running.